Hello Scorpions, welcome to Brutally True Tarot, and this is a reading for this week of October. So let's see what are the messages for you in this week of October. Messages for Scorpions for this week of October. Okay, the very first card that we have here is of Page of Cups. Strength, Ace of Cups in reverse, and Ace of Swords in reverse. So probably with this Page of Cups, I think that you are all ready to go forward in your relationship. You are all ready to make the commitment, or your partner is ready to make the commitment. You both want a stable relationship. You both are dedicated to each other. Loyalty, love, warmth, everything is there. But for one reason or another reason, because this Ace of Cups is in reverse, it is not possible at this point of time. There might be some kind of obstacle, something that you need to do before you make this commitment. Everything is fine because here we have the card of the Strength. So whatever it takes, whatever you want to do before making a before you make the commitment, you are going to do that. You have the strength, you are having patience, you are doing your bit every time. Bit by bit you are going forward, and you know that one day will come when this obstacle will be removed and you will go ahead with your plans. There is something you need to work out before you make this commitment, which can be different in every case because this is a general reading and it doesn't resonate for all. The energy could be reversed as well. Here we have this Ace of Swords in reverse. You are not in a hurry because things have started working after a long time. You are there after a long time. I mean, at a point where you trust each other, you have tested everything, you both have gone a lot, you both have gone through a lot, and now you are ready to make or take the final step, but you want that to happen in a perfect way. And with this Ace of Swords in reverse, you are not going to act in haste. You are thinking before you're making any commitment, or you are judging others, or you're telling anyone anything. You are quite cautious of your word in this week, and that is going to work for you. Let's see some more cards for you, Scorpions. Messages for Scorpions for this week of October. The Hierophant and the King of Pentacles in reverse. Judgment. And Seven of Swords. Here we have the card of the Hierophant. So you both are ready to take your responsibility. You both are matured. You both know how things work, and practically your relationship is going to work because you are not flying in the air, you are in touch with the reality. However, you are in love deeply with the King of Pentacles in reverse. I think the obstacles that this Ace of Cups in reverse is mentioning has something to do with the finances. Probably one of you will have to change the profession. Probably you people have to collect money for something, or to do a dream wedding or something. You will have to have some more money and you want everything to be done perfectly. So here you're waiting and trying to do things as soon as possible. You will have to work out how you will be together. Probably you are in a long distance relationship right now. With this card of the Judgment, you are happy. Your marriage might take a little more time to happen physically or in the physical world, but mentally you know that you are there, you are already married because you have taken this decision and you have already chosen each other as partner for a lifetime. So marriage would be just a ceremony. You know that you have made a commitment for lifelong, and with this Judgment you are happy. This is exactly what you were looking for. Now this has come to the reality. You know everything will be handled. You both will handle everything. These obstacles are temporary and these will be removed. Here we have the Seven of Swords. So with the Seven of Swords, you might have load right now. I mean that you have pressure of work or something to do in time. You might be over occupied with your work or something. These obstacles are putting a lot of pressure for you, but you are still hopeful. You are carrying this for now because you know this is not going to last forever. This will end and you will see the light at the end of the tunnel. In fact, you have seen the light already. It's just a few steps away. It's just that you will have to hold a ceremony and everything is there already. You are already committed and this relationship is going fine. Let's check some of the oracle messages for you, Scorpions. Messages for Scorpions. Books. You connect to your life purpose through involvement with books. Okay, so if you're looking for inspiration, if you're looking for guidance, that how something will work regarding removing these obstacles, so you can look for the books that are written on the topics that will bring you guidance that how to manage these kind of situation, and you will find the solution for yourself. Let's pull one more oracle card for you because I want to pull. I feel like that I need to pull one more card for you. Messages for Scorpions. Heart's desire. The angels are supporting, guiding and protecting you as your dreams become a reality. So the universe is supporting you. The angels are supporting you. They are guiding you. And your intuitions are telling you the truth. If you feel like this relationship is meant forever, then it is meant forever. And angels are protecting you. So you will fulfill everything. You will remove every obstacle by your own efforts. And your dreams will become the reality. So this was the reading for 4th week of October. And I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. Till next video. Bye.